Raising teenagers in this day is not easy. There are multiple challenges that parents keep facing. First and foremost, not just because of the generation gap that exists, but the entire culture has changed. Kids today are growing up in a techno culture. They live in a land where on one side they have the school on one screen, and parallelly on their phone they may be having a Call of Duty or some other game, or they may be Pinteresting, or they may be just WhatsApping their friends or looking at Instagram. We couldn't have thought of those things as kids, could we? But then neither did we think of a pandemic and being locked in all the time. So how do you handle these kind of issues? The issues of motivation. Motivation is an act of putting in effortless effort. You may wonder, what is effortless effort? So say your son or daughter doesn't like to do maths, and the effort that they would need to get a certain marks in mathematics would be much higher versus in case they like biology. Now, if they like biology, they would want to very naturally spend a lot of time studying it. They may go YouTubing and find out more videos, or they may go to other websites and look for other information that they can on a specific subject. The entire time that the effort that they are putting in is something that they are enjoying. So it's an effortless effort. Most people are not really bothered about their health. However, the moment they get to realize that they've got diabetes or they have hypertension, they will then take all the effort that is required to go for that specific walk or do a little bit of yoga. So there has to be a purpose for a certain motivation. When you work with youngsters, you begin to realize that they're often conflicted with the purpose. Going to school then often becomes a task for them. They're not engaged with what is happening at school. What are the repercussions of this? Well, if you're not listening to what's happening in school, then when it comes to giving exams, you don't understand the questions, because understanding is also a form of listening. Their focus shifts from what we need to do to what we want to do. There is low retention power simply because the interest is missing. So how do you solve this? So first and foremost, the why of a task is important. Motivation requires a purpose, and finding that purpose is critical for youngsters. As parents, you need to support them in this act. Just having the purpose is not good enough. There needs to be action that is combined with this. You need to give these kids a certain degree of flexibility. After all, we are living in an adaptable world. So how do you handle all these various issues? The fact that kids seem to be more and more disengaged from school, the fact that motivation seems to be low, the fact that they seem to be incapable of making decisions on their own, the fact that sometimes conversations just turn into big conflicts. We address this and many other issues that parents face with their teenagers